So I'm sure you're all very aware. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that there are now
the Honorable Brogan
21 confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus COVID-19 in the country. Now, of the 21 confirmed cases, 14 are imported cases, 6 are actually import related, and 1 is still under investigation.
Right.
Now, Prime Minister Holness says this means that the country is rapidly approaching the phase of community transmission. He says as the country enters this phase, more and more people will become infected. As such, he says new measures are required to contain an outbreak. These are the measures. He says all persons who are 75 years and older must stay at home effective March 25th for 14 days. Also, he says that schools will remain closed until the end of the Easter term. Woo, hang in there, parents, which is April 20th.
Is this summer break?
No, not yet. Not yet.
I think we're in the middle of the summer break.
So now it looks like...
This is part of the summer break.
Well, you know, that will be effective March the 25th. Also, gatherings in any public space must not exceed 10 persons. Public sector workers 65 years and older will be mandated to work from home.
With exceptions.
With exceptions.
Right.
Each person that entered Jamaica as at March 18th must be quarantined for an additional 14 days after the initial 7-day period expires. Now, the initial ban placed on visits to infirmaries have been moved from 14 days to 30 days, and the ban on new admissions has been moved to 60 days. Now, the ban on amusement licenses will be enforced for an additional period, and the opening hours for markets remain 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Restrictions will be placed on barbershops and beauty salons. Oh, God.
Hey, listen to me.
No!
Let me tell you this, with the restrictions in the barbershop and the beauty salon, especially the beauty salon.
You're going to see who pretty. Hey.
Ladies,
why?
Gentlemen,
yes,
be prepared to see real women.
Yes.
Because when there is no hair, yes, no eyelash, no makeup, no fingernail, hey.
You see, for those of us that can do our makeup and hair and finger and everything at home.
Don't big up my barber them still. Big up the early time barbers. Chris, 50, Ray, Ramik, Mark. Big up Ono.
How much barber you have?
All of them had the shot, one shot.
Oh, okay.
Now, dancer star Elephant Man, he has been charged for breaches of the Immigration Act. Ellie.
Ellie, I got
no, it is alleged that last week he failed to make truthful declarations to immigration authorities at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, and is allegedly quarantined in a government facility. Now, according to the police, a team from CTOC, that's the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, they visited the entertainer's home and issued him and served him with a summons. He's been charged with breaching Section 9, subsection 5 of the Immigration Act, which mandates people arriving in Jamaica to make a truthful declaration to immigration authorities. Now, he's scheduled to appear in court on April 15th. All right, here what happened. Ellie, behave yourself. You should do better. And we're hoping that other entertainers just follow suit. Well, right now, because our borders are closed to human traffic, which is, humans coming in, because we can sell goods and services, goods. So we won't really have cases of that. But we're just asking to just be truthful and just cooperate. Now, Garfield Reed, actor and director, and he's known as Bad Boy Trevor. Now, he's also been taken to custody after cops reportedly raided a pool party at a house in Plantation Drive. Police them running, Plantation Heights, I'm sorry. No, them running because people here's say one big party are going over there. When them over there, more than 50 persons were at a pool party, and he's been charged under the let me tell you this, the Disaster Risk Management Act. The State of Emergency Act and the Spirit Licensing Act. He's also been charged along with Keneal Smith. So both of them, Kenny was running the bar, and I guess Bad Boy Trevor was the person who organized the entire thing. Now, we know that we are social creatures. We are social creatures. And everybody's kind of getting kind of edgy being at home. But just behave now. Just please. Just.
I saw a meme that says that this generation, the world, can save the world, save itself by staying at home and watching Netflix. And the meme said, let's not mess this up. And I think this is a great point in that we're not really asked to be doing that much. Just stay home. Stay home in your nice house with your nice phone and your nice laptop and Netflix and chill. And I also feel like $100 fine for anybody lying to immigration. I don't feel that's enough. But
no,
that's a whole other case.
They're reviewing it, actually.
That's a whole other case.
Yeah.
I hope they review it. But you know what? In other news, the Tokyo Olympics have been officially postponed until 2021. The International Olympic Committee, along with Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and local organizers, have decided that the Tokyo Games cannot go ahead as scheduled this year because of the corona outbreak. The IOC says the Games will be held not later than summer 2021, but they will still be called the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. That seems a little counterproductive to me, but you know.
Have you seen a meme when they move the rings, the Olympics symbol the rings, everybody like social distancing, so that's the rings. But.
That can work out. That can work. Yeah, daytime shout outs. Okay. Our producer would like to shout out Mama Blue. Yes, she's watching. Hello. I want to thank you for the cake. It was lovely. My daughter and I thoroughly enjoyed the cake. Mama Blue, big up yourself. Thank you so much. I also want to shout out my nail tech because she's like, come in, girl. I got you. I got you. I got you.
No, shout her out for now.
Because we don't know what it's going to look like.
Because next week, when we see her wearing gloves, it won't be a coronavirus issue. It's because the nail them now go look so on. Like when you see Nisha come next week
like,
in a mask,
when I come
goggles, hair net.
I want them to leave me alone because you know what? I'm beautiful with, and guess what? I am also beautiful without.
Not everybody can just wake up in the morning and go, all right. Not everybody.
You know what? I'm not paying.
No, I'm just big up my barber. Big up my barber them whilst me pick them up. And all my basketball brethren, we know so one place I'm ball, but it's rough. They said ball them, a Pembroke ball them. But for this kind of
we have a big field, so maybe y'all can still do that and maintain your 6
and
feet
because
distance.
Nisha knows nothing about basketball,
I do not.
Daytime Live will be right back. We'll be talking about live streaming for weddings and funerals.
I know the basketballers are usually cute, though. I know that.
Yes, we are.
They are usually cute, so I'm here for it.
Yes, we are.